Welcome to the Institute of Photography resource page on the Learning Space. This is just a quick introduction on how to use this resource, book time with technical instructors and technicians, and also how to sign up to technical tutorials. If we look at the menu on the left first, over here, if it's not there, then you just have to click these three lines and they'll either disappear or appear. We're actually on the welcome to the IOP. A couple of others I want to introduce you to is what you need to know, this one. When you click these, the menus on the right will all be collapsed, so you'll have to click them again, like so. There's a lot of information about the IOP. The how to sign up to tech tutorials we'll come back to in a moment. Next one, meet the team. There we go, comes to the top. Here's our Technical Facilities Manager, Graham. If I go back again, hit the back button, Technical Instructors, this is me, and these are my fellow technical instructors. And then we've got technicians, the photography stores people, and Photo Lab, Craig, and the dive team as well down at Unit 7. Have a look through those and see who everybody is. The next one is more than just support. This is very important about how to actually come and find us and ask questions. We've got various ways of doing it. You can sign up to Open Tech Tutorials. Open Tech Tutorials either run on Teams, so you can sign up to the Teams, or you can sign up to meet us on campus. It's entirely up to you. These tend to be more about if you know what you want us to talk about. And you need time, 15 minutes or so. You can book actually more than a 15-minute slot. You can book two 15-minute slots. You can have half an hour with us. If you just got a quick question, then you've got the open door tutorials. Again, we've got a couple of different options. You can do them on campus. So you literally just turn up to our door, come and find us where we are in our offices. Or if you prefer, you can come and talk to us online. And we will actually have a meeting open running, and following these instructions, you can just join us in those meetings. Go back again. If you're not sure or don't want to talk to anyone, you just want to ask us a question, we've got this one, SOS. You can ask us anything here. All we do ask you to do is fill out this little form, hit submit, and it will find its way to the right person. And they will get back to you very quickly. Now, there's a lot of information here about cameras, obviously, the darkroom, studio lighting, and all you have to do is click on what you want, and then there's a lot of information. Now, we also have a lot of technical tutorials. Now, if we go back to what you need to know, and how to sign up to a technical tutorial. Here's the information on how to sign up to a technical tutorial, and more importantly, here are all the tutorials we do. They're in 4 different classes. They're fundamentals, like photography fundamentals, digital camera fundamentals. We think that you should do these, certainly probably by Christmas, but definitely within the first year. Then there are skill sets, like 35mm cameras, Photoshop and printing. Then we've got clearance, things you need to get cleared on before you can actually use the equipment or take it out of stores. Things like Bronica cameras or even studio lighting and the studios. And then we also have masterclasses. These won't be starting probably until way into next year when coronavirus has slowed down a little bit. So how do you find these? Well, you just got to look. If you're thinking about you want to do a digital camera fundamental, look for digital camera, click on that, and here's the tutorials. What you will find is that most of our technical tutorials, you actually have to do some work before you come to the session, whether that session be online or whether it actually be in a classroom environment. So with this digital camera fundamental, we asked you to work your way through these sways. These sways are like an online PowerPoint. So you'd work your way through these sways, looking at them, and then there'll be a quiz that you have to complete. Once you've completed that, you can click on this link at the bottom, and that will take you through to the booking system. Just in case you want to do those sways again, here they are again, and there's the quiz again, and here you can book. So these are with Roger, one of the technical instructors, and what we tend to do is a rolling program of technical tutorials. So they're not run at one particular time. We don't tend to do any timetabled technical tutorials. They're working on a sign-up system, so you can come and do it when you've got the time and the ones that you want to do as well. So you just literally click book this slot and it would go into your My Timetable. If you're doing it with a location on campus, the location will be here. If you're doing it online, there will be instructions here on how to join the session online. Hopefully that's enough information for you now. If you do have any questions, don't forget, more than just support. There's lots of ways of contacting us. So please do contact us, or of course, just pop into the Institute of Photography building. Thanks very much and see you soon.